Hey everybody, my name is Peter Jobst, and thank you for checking out our channel today. This is a follow-up to a question that we had from 3C's Productions asking, how do I live stream the audio to Altspace? I want to DJ live in my space. So this question is answering, what is the easiest way to DJ live in Altspace with the minimum amount of setup? So we're going to do this today. Before we start, if you like the video, go ahead and give it thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments down below. And because that's how we got this question, and we're going to answer this. It's a great question, and let's get started here. So first of all, today we are going to we're going to go into Altspace. We have my avatar, Ruby's on with us, and we have the DJ bot. The DJ bot is going to be having the audio come through their voice as line in, and it's going to be amplified to the world. So we're going to try to show that. I have the video being recorded here on my streaming computer, which is going to be recording, and we're going to show that as well from the DJ bot side. And I'm going to show the setup here. So first thing we're going to do here is I'm going to show you just the quick setup of what we're doing, which is, let me grab this here, and we're taking our mixer out here. So we have our mixer, we have our XLRs are going into our Zoom mixer. It's going in and it's into the USB. So this is our USB audio interface that we're using. And we're connecting up into OBS here. So let me see if I can show OBS. And it is the USB mic that we have here. And let's go ahead. So it's a very simple setup. It's a very simple setup that you just need to get line in into your computer. That is the DJ bot. And you can either go in as just as your own self, or you can have a DJ bot that's playing music and you can still run around and talk to people normally. Okay, we're going to go into Altspace here, and here is Ruby. I don't know, Ruby doesn't have working hands, but she can move back. So she's in with us. This is another person that we have in here. And let's go find the DJ bot. All right, let's find the DJ bot. I'm going to go in. I'm going to come into the world now, enter my code. So this is just a world that we have. It's totally empty right now. There's no event going on here. Okay, so you can probably see here that right now I am muted, and I'm going to go into my settings here. I'm going to go onto my audio. I'm going to go select my line 2 Zoom U24 audio is where the audio is going to come from. And I'm going to unmute myself. And you'll see here, let's see if I can see this here. So you'll see. So I'm just going to kind of show, and you can see it in Altspace, right? So we're just going to go ahead and hit start here. Bring up the volume. All right, so you can essentially, as you see, you can also grab your microphone and talk through the microphone. Check 1 2 check 1 2 1 2 1 2. So what I'm doing here is that. So what did that sound? Was it Ruby? Was the sound low or high, or what was it?
It was fine.
It was fine. Okay. So now I'm going to go onto my host tools, and I'm going to turn on amplify my voice, and you should hear a difference now. So let's go. Yes. I think I can do it here too. Let me go to my settings and do it again. I'll just do a review. Is that I have hooked up from my mixer on the outs. I go into a USB audio. Let's see if I can grab I go into the USB audio input. That goes into my computer as the microphone, and then I go into settings here. Let's see if I can pull it up, and I go to audio, and I pick the USB. I pick the USB. You can probably see that. My settings, and the users themselves can adjust the volume. So right now I have voices at 10. Let me see. Yeah, it's voices. So the user can then themselves raise and lower the voice because it's coming across as the voice. And so we can raise and lower that voice like that. So that is how you, that's the easiest way. In Altspace, you use your audio input selection to pick, instead of having it your microphone, you choose the USB audio interface. And that's what gets the music out of the mixer and into through the djbot or any avatar that you're using, and that becomes essentially your voice or your microphone. And then you turn on amplify the host tools. You have to have host permissions to the world or the event, and then you say amplify my voice, and that amplify my voice will change it from everybody or only the people in front of you from being able to hear it. Let's see if I can do it again. Host tools, and then amplify my voice. That is the voice to the entire world. Or you turn it off, and then it's only people who are standing right in front of you. So that is our video. I hope that helps everybody figure that out. That is the easiest way to do it. We often run through streaming because we want audio and visual to go with it. That will be up on the screen. And but this is a way to have a group of friends, go into a world, connect your CD decks or your mixer to your computer, have it come through your voice, and then everybody amplify the voice and everybody can hear it. Okay, so that wraps it up. This is the easiest way to DJ live in Altspace, and this is by using your input as your USB input as the voice. And if you found this interesting, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We're always looking for those comments down below, and we can help you with any of your questions. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Catch you later.